Hello, I'm Eddie from Eddie's Corner of Gideon's Creations. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw shadow. It's gonna look like this. So we start with the head. Or more of the mouth for shadow. Now we're gonna kind of go like a little curvy up. Now we're gonna make his nose. It's black. Now we're gonna make his mouth. Now we're gonna make his eyes. It's so cool. You see how I look at that? Just shadow. That leg was my brother. My brother's leg that I pulled off. Now we're gonna make his inside his eyes like the actual eyeball. They're black and blue. No. Wrong. Remember to make him angry because Shadow's so angry, like in the movie. Have you ever watched it? It's so good. Yeah, you should check it out. Now we're gonna make his actual the top of his head. The furry part. We're gonna make his ears. One of his ears anyway. His haircut. I'm just gonna erase all of that. So it'll be a haircut. His mohawk. Kitty! Maybe a mohawk. It does count. Now we're gonna make the mohawk thing. Hiya! Like that. What are you doing? Now we're gonna make the other side. Now we're gonna make his other ear. It's so pointy. Now I'm gonna make his mohawk thing, whatever you want to call it. Hair, big hair, whatever it is. Then we're gonna make another line kind of like another mohawk thing. The spikes on a hedgehog. Yeah, the spikes on a hedgehog. Because by the way, it's Shadow the Hedgehog, not Shadow. Shadow the porcupine. Shadow the elephant. Or funny. Shadow the rhino. Or Shadow the echidna. Get rid of the foot, Giddy. Come on, Giddy, stop it. Shadow the foot. Now we're gonna make his arm. It's gonna be kind of bended because he's gonna be putting his hands on his belly or his hips. His hips. Yeah, but the dance. Now we're gonna make his glove. Why are you making it? I haven't. Now we're gonna make his what's it called? Fist. Yeah. You're gonna say ketchup. Now we're gonna make his legs. They're made up of ketchup. Stop it, Kitty. That's how I always ketchup. That is up to solid. My brother. Oh Oh, now we're gonna make his other arm. I forgot. I meant his other arm. That's a little too fat. I'm gonna do a little skinnier. His other arm. Now we're gonna make his other fist. You have to put that line there. It's very vital. God. By the way, this is Shadow. I know you already knew that. I'm like so fast. I'm Sonic, by the way. I'm back. I just went around the world. Now we're gonna make his shoes. Or like 5 shoes. I think 5. Now we're gonna make his white thing on his chest. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. No. Now we're gonna make his feet. Or it's like shoes. Did you know that his shoes he's actually got like roller skates at the bottom of his shoes so he can like glide, kind of, or like glide down, glide across the floor. Here's a fun fact. Shadow is faster than Sonic. You probably already knew that. He's faster than the speed of light. Sonic's only faster than the speed of sound. He's so slow. I'm Sonic, and I'm not slow. I'm faster than Shadow. Not. Nope. You keep being every race. I can't believe it. How much shit added. Now we're gonna make the lines. I already started because I wanted to beat you. Sorry. Giddy! You gotta go fast. Faster. Nice. Gotta go fast. Oh, how I loathe my brother. Faster, gotta go fast. Bobby. Oh, Bobby La Doodoo. That's Gideon's favorite name for his dogs. Hope you liked this video. And remember, there are other videos on YouTube. It's called Gideon Creations. And make sure to subscribe. And if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. God bless. And see you next time.